Renisha CJay is about a boy who has a serious crush on a girl from his high school, but he's super afraid to tell her. Will he ever tell her? Become a supporter and find out today. I remember as a kid, I used to read the little newspaper comic strips, and I seen the Boondocks comic strip by Eric Magruder, and I always thought, like, man, like, it would be amazing to do this one day on my own. And here we are. Also remember Doug being a really big part of my childhood, and it was pretty relatable to me. So I aim to make Renisha and CJ as relatable as that. Even a couple of stories in the comic strip I actually went through in my own high school life or whatever. So I always thought that was pretty funny. This is my daily routine in the morning. Well, hi there. Hopefully I don't have to do this too much longer. Sheesh, it's brisk out here today. And it's raining. No surprise there. Atlanta, GA. All of this traffic. Man, oh man, oh man. This is what I deal with. Well, one way to get these posters, y'all. Let's get it. Yeah, man. I'm doing this ATV exclusive. Let y'all know that. No, no, this ain't no, oh, I'm just ordering these posters online and, you know, having shipped to my apartment and send them to y'all. No, I'm actually doing this for y'all. This is custom made, you feel me? It's ATV exclusive. Like I said, I really do this. So, here we go. Look really nice. The posters. I'm Star Code. Just lovely. Let's see what this thing do. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's ATV, not in effect.